Hola clase, it is Señora Group and hoy es viernes el 5 de noviembre 2021. And today you are with a guest teacher. Make sure you're doing your personal best and working hard to get everything done. So here is what you are expected to do today. So up at the top, you're going to see the start assignment button. Do not press that yet. You want to go ahead and scroll down. You're going to watch the video about las partes del cuerpo, one of our favorites with all the body parts that move. Kind of weird, I know. Once you finish that, you're going to click on the Dia de los Muertos Ed puzzle, and it's going to take you out to work on that Ed puzzle. It's very slow. So you'll work through that Ed puzzle, and there are a number of questions. Make sure you're paying attention. Remember to use the rewatch if you need to go back and hear information. After you finish that, then you're going to click on this link. The link is going to take you out to a Quizlet test. This is not going to count as an actual test grade, but I do want you to complete it. I'm okay with you using notes to do it, but if it were me, I would try it without notes just to see where you're at, because remember, you do have a test next Wednesday over this information, or I'm sorry, next Tuesday over this information. So go through, work through the test. It is all matching, multiple choice, and I think there's some true false. Once you're done, check your answers. When you check your answers, it's going to give you a score. What you want to do then is close out of Quizlet, and then you're going to want to come up and click on Start Assignment. Text box is going to pop open, and you would just type in my score. Well, you would want to type words that are words. Sorry about that. My score was A, and then give me your score. What you received on the test. Then you would hit the submit assignment button, and that would make you good for everything you needed to do for the assignments for today. So remember, there are two things: Ed puzzle and doing that Quizlet test, and then typing in what your score is. If you don't give me your score, you will not get credit for doing the Quizlet test. After that, make sure you've submitted your Par Pesar for this week. Remember, that's due by 11:59 tonight. Also, remember that you have a recording assignment that you are working on for Las Partes del Cuerpo. That's due Monday, November 8th by 11:59. I have already had people turn that in. And so great job. Remember to reread the directions before you start working on that. Once you have those things done, then you can go to class content, Duolingo, our Quizlet module to review, read quietly, or work on any other work that you may have. You do have a test coming up over Las Partes del Cuerpo, and then that test will have a little bit of review as well from everything we've learned so far this year. Tomorrow, I will not be available to answer email. You're welcome to send me messages, but just understand I will not be able to answer you back. So if you don't hear from me until Saturday, then that's why. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Buena suerte, and adios, mis estudiantes.